So hi, we're back, and I got my high heels, so you guys can look at it. It's the high tops. You guys can hear the boom boom. Go on, we can't go on. So you guys hear that? Okay. I hear myself.
Is that it you?
Yeah, look.
No, it should be Allah. Like Allah. Like Allah in the whole wide world.
So yeah. And we're gonna go to my garden. This is my guitar, which I play at the museum. Everywhere in my garden. So just now I go to play.
We're not going outside.
Why are you guys going outside?
No, we're getting the shoes because she wants stickers. Ow! The prince gave me my shoes.
Oh no, dog.
Down. We're doing a
This
video
is just on the outside.
Okay, Molly, come back up.
So come back inside. This is an old house. Go up. We just moved in. You guys can't see pictures, but we just moved in. We moved in like a week ago, 1 or 2 weeks ago, and we've been packing our stuff, unpacking our stuff, put it away. But I will show you guys my room to tell you guys how my room looks like. So this is my room, my TV, my games, my PS3, which you guys can't see it, and my movies, my shampoo, and I don't know why I have my shampoo for, and my picture of pandas, and my panda is right there beside my picture, my car, my toy car, my chips bag, which I don't eat, I got it yesterday, and a picture, and my room is kind of looking, let's see.
Hey, money.
Let's go back to
we are home.
You guys could see how my room looks like. Inside is dark, but outside is bright.
Here, let me.
Wait.
Molly, you sit.
Stop. I will see you guys in a minute. Oh. One thing, I got a new iPad, which I don't really play with it. So